Good morning, beautiful people. It's Danielle, and today I'm going to be going to St. John's. We're going to be visiting the other two falls at Concord. So we'd have shown you the main fall at Concord before. It's very beautiful. And there's two other falls. So from the first one, which I've shown you before, to the second one, it's 30 minutes. It's an easy walk up, I've heard. And then from the second to the third, it's about 20 minutes. So it's not too strenuous. All three falls are very beautiful. So I hope you enjoy. See you soon. So we're driving up the road in Concord now to get to the first waterfall. So when we reach up there, I'll show you, and then I'll show you the walk from the first to the second and from the second to the third. Yes guys, so the first fall is down this way. I would have shown you guys this fall before, right? This is the mountains over there. I'll put a link to the video for the first fall in my description box. So this is the road that we drove up to get to the first fall. It took about 7 minutes to get from the main road, right, in Concord to the first fall. So now we're gonna go to the second and the third fall. To get to the second, it should take us about 30 minutes. So I'll show you that journey. I hope you enjoy. Beauty. Yes, so the second waterfall is the Point waterfall. So that's the one we'll take about 30 minutes to get to. And the third one is Fountainbleu. And that one, it takes about 20 minutes. Yes, so I'm looking forward to it. This place is very beautiful, right? As usual, Grenada is always beautiful. And we have a little drop here. See, Brady's about to go film his cinematic video. So yeah, remember to subscribe to his channel, Brady Langine, right? A nice little garden going on here. Have some carrots here, callaloo and dasheen, and some cabbage over there, man. Nice, nice, nice. Waterfall, Concord, second fall at Concord. So beautiful, man. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Ah! This is Kevin, the guy that took us here. Part of, well, the owner actually of Nature Lovers Store. Check him out on Facebook. Best store guy. Woo! So I'll be going in now and enjoy this beautiful waterfall, Point Waterfall, the second fall at Concord. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Guys, so I just saw a crayfish, so I got out of there. Brady is there. He's supposed to be trying to chase the crayfish so that I can get the water. He claims that he chased them away, so I'm going to make a second attempt at getting the water. So let's see. So I just came out to the water. The water was cold at first, but it's actually very, very, very nice. My skin feels so refreshed right now. I was a bit scared to go in because of the crayfish and so, but once Brady chased them away, I really enjoyed it. So definitely check out the Oakpoint Waterfall. It's so beautiful, nice, big pool. You can swim, you can really enjoy it. So check it out. So we're gonna be heading to Fountainbleu soon. I think it's about 20 minutes. Yeah, about 20 minutes. So you'll see that one. I'm gonna leave the beautiful Oakpoint Waterfall now and we're heading to Fountainbleu. We are on our way to Fountainbleu Waterfall and we just saw this beautiful mountain over there. Right? We don't know the name of it, but it's so pretty. Might have to make a hike up there one day. Who knows? Some guys catching some crayfish here. Oh, they stop moving. So just because taking a video of them, they don't move in. Alright, cool. Yes guys, so we are approaching the third waterfall at Concord, Fountainbleu. It's right over there. Beautiful, right? Both the Oakpoint and the Fountainbleu waterfalls are very beautiful. I'll show you guys close up soon. This is the third one, Fountainbleu. There's a pool right here. I really like this kind of cave-in kind of structure right here. And we have the waterfall right there. Beautiful, right? Fountainbleu. Yeah guys, so yeah, the waterfalls are not hard to get to at all. This one it took about 25 minutes. The first one took about 30 minutes. So easy hike to get to very beautiful waterfalls right here in Concord. You just drive up to the first one about 7 minutes from the junction. There's a label there that says Concord Waterfall. You just drive up to the first one and then you can go to the second one. It's about 30 minutes. You can also come to this one, Fountainbleu, which is about 20 minutes. So yeah, pretty awesome. Done. Yes, so I hope you enjoyed today's video of Concord Waterfalls, the second and the third, Oakpoint and Fountainbleu. They are truly beautiful. So remember to give the videos a thumbs up if you like it and to subscribe for more videos. I hope you all have a productive week. Bye and I'll see you in my next video.